Today I'm going to be going over the line dance Groovy Love, choreographed by Whitehouse and friends. We begin with our weight on our left, and we're going to step to our side. Side, behind, and heel and touch. Back, right, right, coaster, step. Forward sweep, step, lock, step. Rock, recover, back, drag, forward, bounce, 2, 3, 4, cross, side, cross, turn, step, turn, cross, side, heel, and heel, toe, flick. Again with counts, Groovy Love. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's your walkthrough of Groovy Love. It's a 4-wall, 32 count dance. I hope you enjoy it.